It's so unfortunate how the prices of things have gone up. And I know that is an issue for you. That is why I thought about this recipe. For this recipe, we are going to be learning how to add yeast to our Nigerian buns. And you'll be finding out how it can help you to minimize costs and increase profit, of course. We are using 500 grams of flour, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. We are using half teaspoon of yeast to 1 teaspoon of yeast and half tablespoon of very active baking powder. I'm adding 75 grams of butter. We are not using eggs or milk for this recipe because it is commercial buns recipe. Adding eggs and milk to your commercial buns recipe, I'm quite realistic. I know you will make much profit. So you're just going to add water using this recipe in bits until you can get your butter to be a bit thick or of this consistency you can see in this video. My butter was a bit on the light side. You're not going to allow your butter to sit or proof. You're just going to go on now to heat up your oil after covering your butter for like 5 minutes and get ready to fry. Once you get it ready to heat up your oil and your oil is at medium heat, cut your butter into the oil. Now, one thing I love about this recipe is that you don't need to cut your buns to be so big, just cut it to be small because of the effect of the yeast alongside with the baking powder. Your buns will increase in size and it will be looking so small. So you can get your customer to buy your buns at the price you want them to buy because they'll be looking bigger. The options that will come to your mind due to the fact that the prices of things have gone up may be to reduce the size of your buns and sell it at a higher price. But you can cut your buns to be small and it will look like the regular size buns and you can sell it at the price you want to sell. With that, you will minimize costs, use less flour and make profit. So now once you fry your buns, you stir continuously until you have a golden brown look or a slightly golden brown look. Take your buns out of the oil, set in a sieve or salver to strain excess oil. Now, I have a video where I showed ingredients and measurement for various quantities to make Nigerian buns. I'm going to put the link in the description box. You can check that out and find out the different measurements you need to make your Nigerian buns. I will advise to use half teaspoon or at most 1 teaspoon of yeast for 500 grams of flour up to 1 kg of flour. So if you are going for 2 kg of flour, 2 teaspoons of yeast will be fine. I hope this helps so you can do the maths. Now you don't want to add too much yeast because you don't want your buns to come out like puff puff. This buns is okay, it's perfect and it's good. It doesn't look like puff puff, it's amazing. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Do like, share and subscribe and see you in my next one. Bye bye. Good to have you here. See you next time. God bless you.